Today, me and Kirk, we're gonna have a game called Do You Remember Your Bird's Name? Last time he lost, so let's see what's gonna happen. We actually had to take a lot of videos because he always lost. 1, 2, 3, go.
All right, Kiwi Misty, Kirby Moonlight, Penny, Sheldon, Star Sky, Aqua, Pencil, Sprinkles, and oh my god. Bubbly.
Wow, good job. 32 seconds. Okay, don't touch the video. Okay, let me see. Okay. So it's my turn. Don't touch it. Okay, 1, 2, don't touch it. Okay. So Misty, Kiwi, Sheldon, Penny, Scarlet, Moonlight, Kirby, Sky Star, Bubbly, Aqua. What's that? Bubbly, Aqua. Who was that? Bubbly, Aqua. Oh my god. I don't remember. Aqua. Bubbly.
You said bubbly. You said bubbly. You said bubbly. You said bubbly.
Okay, pencil. So bubbly, Aqua, pencil. Who else? There's another bird. So bubbly, Aqua.
You said them.
Bubbly, Aqua. Who else? Pencil.
It's brutal.
So pencil, bubbly, Aqua, bubbly. Oh my god, I don't know. I honestly don't remember. So bubbly, Aqua, pencil. Oh my god, I forgot. What's his name? Oh my god. Oh my, bubbly. Bubbly, Aqua. So bubbly is the one who bites, right? Aqua, and then pencil. Oh, Sprinkles!
Sprinkles, yes.
2 minutes and 21 seconds.
Yeah, you crushed my horrible record.
Oh my god, that was hilarious.